joins us to tell us exactly that. Nimesh.
So today's standout was in private banks. Morgan Stanley has put out a big note and they've raised the target price on few of the private bank stocks. Now, largely for the sector, they believe that the asset quality is normalized and the liability spreads have peaked. In fact, they expect the earnings drivers from here to shift towards operating leverage and growth. So on back of this, they believe that the large private banks are in a sweet spot. They expect mid-cap private banks to outperform the PSU banks after a big rally in the PSU banks last year. And the top bets include ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and they've marginally raised the target price on IndusInd Bank as well. They've marginally lowered SBI to equal weight from overweight, but they've retained the target price of 715. Now, on three private bank stocks where they've increased the target price, first is on IndusInd Bank. There they've raised the target price to 1725 versus 1550 earlier. On RBL Bank, Morgan Stanley has raised the target price now to 180 versus 130 earlier. And on AU Small Finance Bank, they've raised the target price now to 965. Broadly, they believe that private banks are still in a sweet spot, and within that, the mid-cap private banks are likely to outperform the PSU bank stocks.
Okay, all right, Nimesh. Thank you so much for joining us with that Standout Brokerage Report for today.